Aromaticity. Today we start the aromatic character or aromaticity is a property of sp2 hybridize in which the p orbitals allow the cyclic delocalization of the pi electrons in which aromaticity क्या होती है एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है sp2 hybridized की in which जो p orbital होता है वो अनहाइब्रिडाइज्ड होता है वो क्या करता है वो अलाउ करता है cyclic delocalization of the pi electrons and this is known as aromaticity. Criteria for aromaticity. An aromatic compound is cyclic, planar, and conjugated. Each atom in an aromatic ring has a p orbital, and these p orbitals must be so parallel so that a continuous overlap is possible around the ring. The cyclic Third one is the cyclic pi molecular orbital formed by overlap of p orbital must contain 4 and plus 2 pi electrons and where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 so on, and this is known as Huckel rule. क्या क्या होता है कि एक कंपाउंड को एरोमेटिक होने में क्या क्या होना चाहिए उसमें वो साइक्लिक होना चाहिए, प्लेनर होना चाहिए, कॉन्जुगेटेड फॉर्म में होना चाहिए और उसमें एक पी ऑर्बिटल होना चाहिए दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अनहाइब्रिडाइज्ड. वो क्या करता है वो दिस पी ऑर्बिटल मस्ट बी पैरेलल होना चाहिए जो कि एक कॉन्टिन्यूस ओवरलैपिंग करे सो इज पॉसिबल अराउंड द रिंग. थर्ड वन इट फॉलोज द हक्कर रूल. इट हैज उसमें इसमें 4n+2 पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होने चाहिए. And that is the example of aromatic compound, that is benzene. It is cyclic, it is planar, or it is in the form of conjugation. There is a sigma pi sigma pi sigma pi, and it is in the form of conjugation, and it follows the Huckel rule. It has 6 pi electrons, and in this there n is equal to 1, in which in this if n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it means it follows the Huckel rule. Second one is anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic में क्या होना चाहिए, क्या होता है? In this, the compound is cyclic, planar, or in conjugation, but it has 4 and pi electrons. It has इसमें 4n+2 पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं होते, उसमें 4n पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं. उस कंपाउंड को हम कहते हैं कि वो एंटायर एरोमेटिक है. फॉर एग्जांपल इन साइक्लोब्यूटाडीन, इन दिस it is cyclic, it is in the planar, or it is in the conjugation like pi sigma pi sigma pi sigma, and but it contains 4 and pi electrons. That's why they are known as anti-aromatic. Next one is non-aromatic. In this, compound that is not cyclic or conjugated are present in a category of non-aromatic. For example, this compound in this there is a it is not in a form of cyclic, it is not in cyclic structure or not in the conjugation. In this the sigma pi pi sigma sigma pi, it, that's why they are come under in aromatic. And these are the some examples regarding aromaticity. That is the next one is a reaction. As we all know about what is reaction, in this the main reactant react with attacking reagent and gives product. Attacking reagent is of two types. First one is electrophile and second one is nucleophile. What is electrophile? Electrophile is an electron deficient species that attack on electron rich center. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का मतलब ही ये होता है कि इलेक्ट्रो का मतलब होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, फाइल का मतलब होता है लवर. दैट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन रबल. वो खुद एक इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट स्पीशीज होते हैं, उनके पास खुद के पास इतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं होते. दैट्स व्हाई दे अटैक ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिच सेंटर. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज electrophile, electron lover. Next one is electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. In this the that is the simple substitution reaction. What is substitution reaction in this? For example, in the AB, that is called as a main reactant, when electrophile, that is the attacking reagent, attack on this AB and it substitute the B. it substitute the B and it forms B plus AE, that is known as E substitute the B, it is known as substitution reaction. And first one is a chlorination of benzene. Benzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It forms chlorobenzene and HCl. Next is the mechanism. Uh, Generation of electrophile. Due to the presence of Lewis acid, that is AlCl3, generation of electrophile takes place as the Lewis acid accept the electron pair from the attacking reagent. As we all know कि जो Lewis acid होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, वो electron pairs accept करते हैं from the attacking reagent. In this, the chlorine donates their electron pair to the AlCl3 and it forms AlCl4 negative plus Cl positive. Next one is the attack of electrophile on benzene ring. The electrophile generated attack on the benzene ring and form the positively charged charge, that is known as the arenium ions, and it containing one sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next one is the loss of proton. In this, the arenium ions finally lose its proton from the sp3 hybridized carbon to a Lewis acid and it restoring its aromaticity. In this कि ये जो arenium ions है वो finally अपना proton lose करते हैं from the sp3 hybridized carbon and to a Lewis acid, and it forms and it restore its aromaticity. In this, arenium ion is not aromatic, and when they lose their proton to the Lewis acid and it restored its aromaticity and it forms the chlorobenzene plus HCl and AlCl3. Okay. Next one is bromination of benzene. In this, the benzene react with the bromine in the presence of FeBr3. It forms bromobenzene plus HBr. Mechanism is same as above. Next one is the nitration of benzene. Benzene reacts with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid to form nitrobenzene. This reaction is known as nitration of benzene. इसमें क्या होता है कि benzene react करता है with the nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It forms nitrobenzene and water. In this, first one is generation of electrophile. With the help of concentrated sulfuric acid, it forms NO2 positive, HSO4 negative, and NH2 positive. And NO2 positive acts as a electrophile. And NO2 positive attacks on electrophile and it forms arenium ions. And in this, one carbon is sp3 hybridized. And then loss of proton. Loss of proton, the hydrogen, the proton from the sp3 carbon, it removed with the help of HSO4 negative and it forms nitrobenzene plus sulfuric acid.